Look at this walk.
Hold the rail. Walk the rail. Go, walk the rail. I am here.
Trust your legs, baby. Trust those legs. No, my darling, one arm. Come, like you do by the basin.
Step and hand. Step and hand. And step and hand.
Oh, she's letting go there. This is brilliant.
And one step up. I'm going to try. I'm here, so I will never let you fall. I don't want you to try. Balance. You're holding here, okay? So you pull. You go. Move your nose forward.
You can do it.
There we go. So you feel as you move your nose forward.
That's it. Check it out.
Okay, move your hand forward.
You see why Kim wanted you to work on keeping your knee out, baby? It's for stepping up, eh?
Big step. Hand, and now hand. And go. Wait. Do you know what happened there? That was difficult, made it difficult? Is that you're leaning back. So try to get your nose forward. Nose forward. And now push up. Good.
That's it.
Put up. Nose forward. Nose forward. Nose forward. No. Nose forward. And push. Good.
That's it.
Nose forward. No. Nose forward. So you get your weight forward. No. Nose
That's it, madam. You are doing so beautifully.
Can we show Daddy this one?
Yes, we will show Daddy this. He's going to be so proud.
And some chalk.
Yes.
Put your hand up. Up. Relax.
And I'm going to tell Mrs. Pillay that it's on your page. Or she'll be chuffed.
There we go.
That's it. Let's see. And I'm going to tell your friends' parents so that your friends can bug you at school.
You're standing on your toe. You're standing on your toe.
You can do it. Hey, hand down, T-Rex. That's it. Check it out. Okay, wait. Can you pose for a photo? I got it. I got it. That's awesome walking. Now we're going to stop the video. Nice.